Keep all hands and arms inside the train at this time, please. Thank you.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. Stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Friends, I'm so delighted you've joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. I must say, I was just a young fellow in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? Hope you got the compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or just scaling a towering treehouse. Explore. This here's Frontierland, home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears. This outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. We come big come. Catch a ride on and Princess Tiana is striking up the band for her big part. Come to a complete stop. If you're disembarking, please carry your strollers all the way on the platform before and forward. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
As we approach Frontierland Station, make sure we remain completely seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop and you hear my cue magical words of all clear. Until then, please do not disembark the train and remain fully seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Please remain seated. We are all clear. Welcome to Frontierland Station. Our next stop will be Fantasyland Station.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. There it is, Big Thunder Mountain. Now, normally, folks around here have a one-track line for gold. But mining seems to have been derailed. They've been working on that railroad all the livelong day. So bet they'll be full steam ahead in no time. Hopefully with some new bells and whistles. in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic. Listen. Hear that?
There it is, on that big metal snake. It's so sweet there. It's not a snake. It's a train. Train, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put. Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow!
Oh, Tinkerbell, we really must find some stronger friends.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Friends, travelers, children of all ages, we're coming down the track and headed straight for the street. Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to soar with Dumbo, or join Goofy in his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until gather your juggling pins, cycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding them. That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
As we approach Fantasyland Station, make sure you remain completely seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Hear my cue, magical words of all clear. Until then, please do not disembark the train. Please remain fully seated at this time until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Please remain fully seated. Remain seated. You're all clear to disembark. Welcome to Fantasyland Station. Our next stop will be Main Street.
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. Next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Please keep an eye on the train. Su seguridad, permanezca sentada y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Next stop is a place that's always ahead of the curve, and not just because we're on a straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland.
Maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required. Users, please proceed to Tron Life Cycle 1 for upload. Once digitized, you may board your life cycle and join the games. Go, users. Competition is fierce and fast. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory.
And that's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland. Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick your belongings, carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
As we approach Main Street Station, make sure we remain completely seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop and you hear my two magical words of all clear. Until then, please do not disembark the train and keep all hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the red bars of the train at this time. Again, please remain fully seated at this time as the train pulls into the station. Remain seated, the train is still in motion. Remain seated, please. We are all clear. Welcome to Main Street Station.